How to change the default SMS messaging app on your Realme phone or even Oppo phones with Android 14. If you go to the default apps section, you may not see the other messaging apps there to switch to. So in order to switch to a new default messaging app, after installing the app on your phone from the Play Store, and it has to be a compatible app, you'll need to go into the app itself. So say for example, you are using another messaging app and I want to switch to maybe this one right here. So when I tap on it now, and if it's not set to the default one, automatically it's gonna give you this right here where you can switch from the current one to the new one. So I want this one here, I'll select that. Then you'll simply just make sure that you set as default and it'll now take you into all of this here. Make sure you allow all the permissions. And once you're all set and done, you should be able and ready to start your new messaging, okay? And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. You can switch it to another one at any given time.